Welcome to Tumamoto. According to Japanese media, Young Machine, the modern retro model with a 4-cylinder engine, the Honda CB400 Super 4 and the Honda CB400 Super Bold will be out of production in the Japanese market soon. Both models are said to no longer be able to comply with the latest Euro 5 emission standards. So keep watching. The Honda CB400 Super 4 series was first introduced to the Japanese domestic market since 1992, meaning its age this year has reached 30 years. One of its interesting features is of course the 399cc engine in an inline 4-cylinder configuration with DOHC 4-valve liquid cooling system and a 6-speed transmission. The maximum total power produced by the engine reached 56 PS at 11,000 RPM with a maximum torque of 39 Newtons at 9,500 RPM. In terms of features, both the CB400 Super 4 and Bold Final Editions equipped with preload adjustable front fork and rear shocks which integrated to aluminum swing arm. Meanwhile, braking systems are handled by 4 piston calipers up front and a single piston caliper at the rear, complete with dual-channel ABS. Other features present on board include a digital multi-info display with analog speedometer and tachometer, as well as LED lighting system. To mark the end of the production of this model later, it is said that the final edition version will be officially introduced soon. 3 colors are available for the CB400 Super 4 and Bold Final Editions, including Black Metallic, Candy Chromosphere Red, as well as the signature Atmosphere Blue Metallic scheme of the HRC. Honda also presents a matte Beta Silver Metallic scheme for the CB400 Super 4.